Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create animated logo that we can use for our Gmail account. So let me show you what we are going to achieve in this video. This is my Google account and here you can see the animated logo in form of GIF is uploaded. Now, whenever I send mail or join any meeting with this account, it is going to pop up among all other accounts. So in this video, we are going to create a logo and then we will upload it. So step one is to have a logo, and we are going to create a logo for our YouTube channel. You can search for Devkant Kumar, and this is the YouTube channel you are watching videos on Dev Code Space, and we are going to create logo for this YouTube channel first. So let's screenshot this one and head over to the first AI tool, uh, which will provide the prompt. So we are using Claude that is best for uh, any textual related tasks. So I'm going to ask for, I want to create a modern tech premium, premium and professional logo in dark theme for the code space. Give me detailed JSON prompt for this. We have asked for JSON prompt because JSON helps to provide the clear context of what we want to the AI. This is the step one of getting the perfect prompt to create your logo. It is going to provide a very comprehensive prompt which specify the every aspect of the logo. Now you can see we have uh, the first and the perfect prompt now. Now we are going to use the second AI tool, that is ChatGPT to convert this prompt into image. So ask for create me an image, or more specific as logo based on this, and paste the prompt. It will now pull in its image generation tool and creating the image. It might take some time based on uh, how much request is made by the user right now on the chat GPT. Let's see what it come up with, and then we will convert this image into animation. I need to tweak some prompt to get the single logo. I'm not going to skip any steps so you clearly see where you can uh, come up with some kind of issues and how to tackle this kind of issues. This video might take some time because we are going to show you each step throughout the process. Let's say we are going to go with this logo, and now we will convert this logo into animation. To convert it into animation, we are going to use the third AI tool is Gemini, and we will going to use its uh, videos tool. So first, okay, let's remove it and first upload the image you have just downloaded from the ChatGPT. Now, uh, here you have two options. One, you can provide the detailed prompt of how you want your logo to be animated, and second, you can ask simple prompt like animate this logo into cinematic. Matic. This is a very simple prompt, but it also come up with a great video with simple prompt. But if you want more control over the animation it generate, you can uh, come up with your prompt and then okay. So we have run into some problem like I cannot create more videos for you today, but I can still find videos from the web. Okay, so we are having problem on this part here, like I cannot generate more videos with this account, but we have already generated some videos in the previous chat, and no problem. Let's, you can clearly see I have done the same thing in this chat, like uploaded the image and then asked the animate this logo into cinematic shot, and we have tried with the several prompt and come up with some videos. So you can also follow along with this video, like you can clearly see how the animations look perfectly. So let's let's download this video, and we will convert this video into GIF so we can upload. Like you can clearly see it's right now MP4 format, and Google do not allow MP4 format in the profile picture because that will be the video. So now we have downloaded this into the video. You can check it here. Like yeah, we now have the video. Let's optimize it in the format that can be uploaded to the Gmail account. So I'm going to open Canva to perform all the editing related stuff. Okay, click on the plus icon and custom size. Here we are going to go with 720 into 720 pixel. But if you want more information about what size you should use, you can clearly see here. Like I have searched for Google account profile picture dimension, and it shows the key specifications like format, the recommended resolution, minimum resolution, aspect ratio, and file size. So we are going to go between 720, 225 to 720. So let's go with 720 by 720, or you can also decrease it if you want. But as of now, let's continue with 720 by 720. Now we have got this canvas. It's time to upload the video we have just downloaded. So click on the upload file and select this video. We need to edit it into the search format that can be uh, completely shown in the square format. Let's see. it's still looking perfect, but it might have some quality degradation because we have zoomed up so much to make it fit properly into aspect ratio of 1 and 1. You can edit your videos as much and make it better and as per you want. But in this video, we are going to go with this one to show the process, but you can still optimize and edit the videos as per your expectations. Now click on the share button and I'm going to download this. Here I'm going to reduce the file size so we can get into the file size that is allowed and no need to resize again and again. So I'm going to decrease it again. Okay, okay, no problem. It is still under the defined size limit like 225 to 720. So we have like 640, so it's perfectly normal still. So hit on the download button and it is now going to download this video. It takes some time based on your internet connectivity. So I'm gonna wait here because it barely takes some time. Yes. Now just picking a file name like anything and gonna select to download this video inside the download folder and hit save. Download completed. Now let's head over to the account wherever you want this video to be uploaded. As of now, we are going to upload the animated profile picture we have just created to this same account. So click on this change profile icon, camera icon, and it will now, okay, some kind of issues. Try again. Yeah. Now click on upload from device and download. The video we have selected was in file. Okay, 44.mp4. Let me check once again. Like, yeah, now we have 44.mp4. Let me try again. So we get the latest download in the download folder. Still not able to get this. What's the issues? Let's close everything. So we clearly have this video in download folder, but it's not showing up here. Okay, let me put it in another folder. Like, like here, and then oh sorry guys, it's my bad. I have might be uh, downloaded the video in the wrong format. We need to download this into GIF, and that's why that video was not showing up. Oh, bit more perfect. Now hit download. Sorry guys, that was my bad. The video was saved in the MP4 format. That's why when we try to upload the videos here, it won't show up in the folder so you can select them. This was the mistake, and you might also encounter such kind of issues, so be careful while exporting your videos. Don't forget to export that in the GIF format, which is allowed to be uploaded on the Google account. And I'm not going to cut out this mistake in this video, so you have the complete idea of these kind of issues often happens uh, throughout such kind of process. Okay, this time I'm just going to hit save, and now let's try to upload this one. Now we got this. Yes, you can clearly see it's now open the crop and rotate tool, so you can clearly select properly select however your animation should be shown properly. Like I'm just gonna click the next. It seems perfect to me. You can clearly see this is the video we have edited in the Canva, and the same video is now. So click on save as profile picture. Perfect. Now this image has been uploaded properly, and just hit refresh. Perfect. You can clearly see up here and also here. Now, whenever you use this account to send mails or join Google Meet, this will pop up in your profile and it will make you stand out among others. So that's it for this video. I have tried to make this video as much practical as possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to support such videos.